This video explains what the Enter or Return key is. In simple terms, the Enter or Return key is a key on the keyboard used to confirm an action or move to a new line when typing. The Enter key exists because you need a way to confirm actions and continue writing. It allows you to submit information or move the cursor to a new line in a document. The Enter key is not the same as using a mouse, the spacebar, or backspace. These controls do different things and are used in different situations. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize when a key confirms an action or moves to a new line. You usually see the Enter key used when typing in documents, when submitting a search, or when confirming information in a form or login field. This diagram organizes the idea of the Enter key. Use it as a reference if needed. When a key confirms an action or moves text to a new line, that is the Enter key.